Step 1. Get 2 slices of bread. Step 2. Get fresh ham. Step 3. Put it together and cut. Get 2 pieces of bread. Now get the Nutella and a knife. Spread the Nutella with the knife. Now cut the bread how you want it. And now eat. Get a butter knife, butter, Nutella, and 2 pieces of bread. Put the butter on one side of the bread slice and spread evenly with the butter knife. Grab your Nutella jar and unscrew the cap. Scoop the Nutella with the butter knife and spread it evenly, like what you did with the butter. Put the Nutella sides together and cut it, but that's not required. And then it's finished. Grab 2 slices of bread, a knife, and Vegemite. Put a bread on the bottom. Grab the knife and put the Vegemite on it. Scrape the Vegemite on the bread using the knife. Put the second slice on top. Dig in and enjoy. Stuff you will need: Nutella, bread, knife, plate, toaster. Step 1. Put the bread in the toaster. Get the toast out of the toaster. Put the toast on a plate. Step 5. Get a knife from the drawer. You already got that. Step 6. Put the Nutella on the toast. Repeat the first and 6th step. So the first step was put the bread in the toaster.
What? I repeat it?
Well, we already did 2 because we weren't sure. And then the 6th step was put Nutella on the toast. So I guess you've already done the toasting, so maybe put the Nutella on the other bit of toast now. Then, step 8, then put the 2 pieces of toast together. Yum. Ingredients: 1 wrap, lettuce, ham, cucumber, carrot. And stuff you need: 1 plate and 1 knife. Step 1. Get a wrap. Step 2. Put lettuce on the wrap. Step 3. Put ham on top of lettuce. Step 4. Put cucumber on top of the ham. Put carrot. Step 5. Put carrot on top of the cucumber. Step 6. Put chicken on top of everything.
I don't have chicken.
Wrap the wrap up. Yum.